Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings. We will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's go to the display. Let's tap on it, and in this device the night light is called Eye Comfort Shield. We can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. We can enter Eye Comfort Shield and now customize it thanks to the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's totally up to you which intensity is the best for you. You can also schedule that feature. Let's tap on it. You can keep it always on, which means that you have to manually turn it on and off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and this means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. You can custom and the time also, which means you can choose the start and the end time. So this is basically how it works. If you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here in this section with the screen brightness, you've got the Eye Comfort Shield. Right now it is turned off. After tapping on it, you can turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.